Hello everyone, it's Stephanie Manley with Copycat.com. Today I'm going to do a copycat of Kroger's smoked Gouda dip. It tastes amazing. You can put it together in 5 minutes. It's perfect for movie night, game night, or anytime you have some company over. All right, but before I get started, be sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can see when the new recipe comes out. I release videos every Sunday and Wednesday. So in this bowl, I have 1 cup of mayonnaise. Now that's mayonnaise, not Miracle Whip or anything like that. So 1 cup of mayonnaise. And then I am gonna add 2 teaspoons of minced red onion. I feel like you could do green onion. That would taste amazing. But you know what? That's not how they do it. So we're trying to work on a copycat. And to this base, I'm gonna add about 8 ounces of finely shredded cheese. Now, obviously, I'm just using my box grater here. I'm doing it on the fine side. Gonna go ahead and get 8 ounces of cheese in there. So I'm gonna do about half of it, stir it in, and go ahead and add in the rest of the cheese. I just need to shred it. But that's all there is to this dip. Now, if you wanna upgrade it, that means we're not doing a copycat anymore. Some suggestions that I have would be like a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, or a 1/4 teaspoon of chipotle powder. Both of those would add a really nice touch of smoke. You could even add about a teaspoon or so of jalapeno pepper, sliced really finely. Just make sure you take the seeds out if you don't want it to be too hot. But this stuff tastes amazing. I have put it in jalapeno poppers simply by hulling them out with seeds, popped a little bit of this in, wrapped it with bacon, and put them in the oven. I served this at a party not too long ago. But that's it. You can see it's really easy to make this smoked Gouda cheese dip. I hope you give this recipe a try. Do me a favor, drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching.